If you want to record sounds on Google Pixel 11, you just have to go to the app drawer and search for the recorder. So this is the app that we can use to record ourselves, to create voice memos or some voice notes, stuff like that. Once you open it for the first time and grant all the necessary permissions to be able to use the app, you can just use this red button over here, and then you begin recording yourself. In my case, I have the transcription activated as well, and it happens in the real time. So as you say things out loud, they are going to be converted into a text, which later on you can of course check out while replaying the recording. Besides that, we can choose the language for the transcription in case it is incorrectly selected, and also we have the detection of speakers. So if there are multiple different speakers on the recording, then they are actually separated quite clearly. You can of course pause and stop the recording at any point. You can replay the recording. There we go. You can of course skip 10 seconds forward or go back 5 seconds back. You can switch to the transcription, and then you should be able to tap on any of these words in order to immediately jump to the selected section of the audio. And here in the upper right corner, we can find these 3 dots that allow you to find some more stuff. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.